This is part 8 of installing a blown big block Chevy into my 1969 Camaro, and today we're making it evil. Let me explain. We're finally on the last step before starting the car up for the very first time, and I'm so excited to learn something new today. I always wanted to know how to install a fuel system onto my car. Surprisingly, it's very easy to do. Huge shout out to evilenergy for sending out their 15-gallon fuel cell, their 6 AN fuel lines, 2 fuel filters, return style fuel pressure regulator, multiple adapters, and their inline pump. This is everything we need to make the system work, so let's hop right into it and install this together. First step is removing the old rusty fuel tank from under the car so that we can install the new 15-gallon fuel cell on the trunk. This is my first time running a fuel cell instead of a fuel tank, so this is pretty cool. It is important to cut your lines with a tape and a fine cutting wheel like a Dremel. Now that we have our hose cut to length, we can add our fittings. Put the cap over the hose, lube up the fitting, and stick it right inside the hose. See how easy that was? Now we can do this process to connect the fuel filters to our fuel pumps, then connect all of these to the fuel pressure regulator and directly into the throttle bodies where they belong. Wire it all up to the car, and now the fuel is installed. Stay tuned for next video where we fire